My name is Ed Doherty, and I'm the lead instructor here at Suncoast Technical College in the Machining Technologies course and the CNC Production Specialist course. This year we're introducing our CNC Production Specialist program. This is a one-year high school CTE program that will get you a career in a year in the machining industry or prepare you with needed hands-on training for an engineering career path. We start off in the high-tech machining area, which is the primary way to machine metals, woods, and exotic materials. We also combine skills learned in high school like digital design, SolidWorks, or Autodesk Inventor's solid model design.